What if you could boost your fitness, sharpen your focus, and experience the thrill of nature all at once? Whether it's scoring your next big win on the field or conquering a mountain trail, learning how to master sports and outdoor activities can completely transform how you move, think, and live. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build the mindset, skills, and habits to excel, both in sports and in the great outdoors. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Sports and Outdoors, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Amp, Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Sports and outdoor adventures are more than just physical activities. They're ways to test your limits, connect with nature, and discover what you're truly capable of. From team competition to solo hiking, these experiences build strength, discipline, and resilience. Here's how to make the most of every game, workout, or adventure in 7 clear steps. Step number 1. Start with the right mindset. Success in sports and outdoor pursuits starts in your mind. Whether you're preparing for a big game or heading out for a challenging hike, your mindset determines how you perform. Approach every challenge with curiosity and growth, not perfection. Instead of thinking, "I can't do this," say, "I'm learning how to do this." The difference may seem small, but it changes everything. Athletes and adventurers alike thrive on patience and persistence. When you believe improvement is possible, you'll find joy even in the hard work. Step number 2. Build a strong foundation of fitness. Every sport and outdoor activity depends on physical readiness. You don't need to be an elite athlete, but you do need a base level of strength, endurance, and flexibility. Focus on building all-around fitness. Run or bike to strengthen your heart, lift weights for power, and stretch daily for mobility. Think of your body as your most important piece of gear. It's what carries you through every match, climb, or trail. A strong, balanced body not only boosts performance, but also helps prevent injury so you can stay active longer. Step number 3. Learn the fundamentals of your chosen sport or activity. Every sport and outdoor pursuit has its own techniques, rules, and rhythm. Learn them well. If you're into basketball, that means mastering your dribble and footwork. If you love hiking, it means understanding pacing, hydration, and trail safety. Fundamentals aren't boring. They're the building blocks of excellence. Even professionals practice the basics every day. As legendary coach John Wooden said, "It's the little details that are vital. Little things make big things happen." Step number 4. Gear up the smart way. Having the right equipment can make or break your experience. But remember, it's not about buying the most expensive gear, it's about having the right gear for you. For example, a properly fitted pair of running shoes prevents injury and boosts comfort. For outdoor adventures, invest in layers of moisture-wicking clothing, quality footwear, and safety essentials like a first aid kit or navigation tools. Test your gear before your big outing and learn how to use it confidently. Preparation gives you peace of mind so you can focus on performance and fun. Step number 5. Train consistently and challenge yourself. Consistency is where progress happens. Instead of cramming a long workout once a week, aim for shorter, regular sessions. Over time, small daily habits compound into big results. Mix up your routine. Try new drills, terrain, or environments. If you're a cyclist, ride hills one day and sprints the next. If you're an outdoors enthusiast, explore different trails or try camping overnight. The key is to challenge yourself without burning out. Push your limits, but always listen to your body. Step number 6. Connect with community and nature. Sports and outdoor activities are best when shared. Join a local team, hiking group, or outdoor club. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people keeps you motivated, accountable, and inspired. Beyond social connection, remember to connect with nature itself. When you're out on the trail, pause to breathe in the fresh air and take in the views. The outdoors has a way of reminding us how small we are and how powerful we can be. That balance of humility and strength is what makes these experiences truly transformative. Step number 7. Reflect, recover, and repeat. Every athlete and adventurer needs recovery time. After a long game or day outdoors, stretch, hydrate, and rest your muscles. reflection is equally important. Ask yourself what went well and what could be improved. Keeping a simple journal of your workouts, trips, or experiences helps you see progress over time. And when you're ready, repeat the process with new goals and fresh energy. Growth doesn't come from one big moment. It comes from the rhythm of effort, rest, and reflection over and over again. Imagine you've decided to take up trail running. You start with mindset, seeing yourself as a learner, not a beginner. You train 3 times a week, building endurance on local paths. You study the fundamentals of running form and trail safety. You invest in good trail shoes, a hydration pack, and lightweight gear. You join a local running group that meets every weekend, and through it, you discover new routes and friendships. After each run, you stretch, log your distance, and note how you felt. Within a few months, your stamina, confidence, and love for the outdoors have skyrocketed. That's what the HowExpert Guide to Sports and Outdoors is all about. Practical, step-by-step growth that blends physical strength, mental resilience, and appreciation for nature. HowExpert Tip: cross-train for balance and longevity. Even if you specialize in one sport, cross-training keeps your body balanced and prevents burnout. For example, swimmers can benefit from yoga to improve flexibility, while hikers might add strength training to handle steep climbs. Cross-training keeps workouts interesting, prevents overuse injuries, and makes you a stronger, more versatile athlete overall. When you follow these steps, sports and outdoor activities become more than hobbies. They become a lifestyle. You'll feel stronger, more grounded, and more connected to the world around you. The lessons you learn outdoors, discipline, focus, and respect, translate into every area of life. Your challenge. This week, pick one new outdoor or athletic goal. Whether it's joining a local team, hiking a new trail, or mastering a skill you've been avoiding. Follow these 7 steps and watch your confidence, health, and energy grow with every step, rep, or mile. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Sports and Outdoors, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Amp, Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.